Okay, this is a demonstration of a conceptual design for two ultrasonic welding devices which are used to weld the elastic band to the mask. So here is a pneumatic cylinder and one pneumatic valve, and here we have a mid plate green in the middle and two guiding plates on both sides. So using the cylinder that this is the cartridge which is holding a number of masks stacked vertically, and the lower plate can slide back and forth to bring the mask under the welding position number 1 and 2 at the left and right. So at the bottom we have two orifices. These are where the pneumatic suction comes in, and here that unit, the sliding one, driven by the pneumatic cylinder, goes back and forth, and each time it is taking one mask from the cartridge, bring that under the welding position, doing the welding at the left and right. So let me show you the operation of the vacuum system. So here we have a manifold system. So the vacuum enters at the two circular holes, can be seen better with the wire frame. So that is where the suction comes in, and then it is distributed through this manifold inside the mask area. So this is airtighted with some elastic gasket to make sure that unless the guide is at the exact position, the vacuum is not enough to pull a mask from the cartridge. So exactly on a spot. So anyway, anything is controlled by this green electronic box, macro switches, controllers, everything is being processed over here, and the operations are by that pneumatic cylinder which has a yoke and is driving the plates to left and right. So here the opening of that manifold is designed just to bring the mask at the right position for the welding. Only the tip can enter that welding window. So this is the welding of the left hand side. Elastic band is ultrasonically welded, and once it comes back to the other extreme position, now we have the other side, the elastic band is welded, and now we have somehow taking that mask away. So this is the time for the guide system to go underneath the cartridge exactly on the right spot, and then the next mask is being pulled by suction to the position such that it can be brought under the welding position. So of course this is just a conceptual design. Once you are happy with the basics of the concepts, if you want something to be changed, we can do it easily at this stage, but we can add all the detail and make this operational. So that conceptual design is good enough for discussing the options that we have. So yeah, this is just the first version with two units opposite to each other.